Welcome to the Floral POS. In this how-to video, we're going to show you how to set up Mailchimp inside the Floral POS. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on our control panel up here in the top. You're going to click on System Config 2, and then you're going to click on the Mailchimp tab. Once you're inside the Mailchimp tab, you'll see the Mailchimp integration settings. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the big Connect button here. This is going to open up a website that's going to say login and authorize. You're going to want to put your username in that you have for Mailchimp. You're also going to want to put in your password. Once you put those in successfully, it'll say authorize the Floral POS. It'll give you a bunch of information here. All you have to do is click on the allow button right here. Once everything's good to go, it'll say Mailchimp connected. You may close this window, so let's go ahead and close it out. Mailchimp is connected successfully. Click on OK. And then your Mailchimp audience selected is 24 Studios. And you'll see here status is connected. Account data center US3, that doesn't really matter to us. And then your audience list is whatever this is going to be. Ours says 24 Studios. Yours will say whatever audience list you have on your side of the fence. An audience list is basically just a list where you want your emails to go. Any new emails from the Floral POS. If you have a free account, you only get one audience list. It'll be your default one when you set up Mailchimp. But if you have their paid account, you can set up as many lists as you want. And those lists will all show up in this drop-down menu. Below audience list, you have sync new customers auto. I recommend turning that on. And what that allows you to do is when new customers do come into the system from an order, or if you put a new customer manually inside of the customer admin screen, it'll automatically sync that up to the Mailchimp for you, so it'll be ready to run any email marketing campaigns you have up there. So if you have any questions about any of this stuff, we have like little information widgets everywhere. So what is Mailchimp, what is an audience list, and how to sync new customers work. What I recommend you do next is click on sync existing customers. What that'll do for you is because this is the first time you're connecting, it'll take all existing emails you have in the system, it'll sync them up to Mailchimp and put them into this audience list that you have here. So let's go ahead and do that. And it says here it's synced 2 of them and it failed 3 of them. So let's hit OK. And it'll actually tell us why they failed. And it looks like there's a couple of email lists that were deleted permanently. So we've been playing with the integration, and I deleted like a couple of emails permanently, and I didn't know that, hey, once you delete it, you can't re-import it. So there you go. That's the reason why they couldn't import. It's no big deal. So let's go ahead and X out of here, and let's go ahead and show you the Mailchimp interface real quick. Now inside the Mailchimp interface, you'll see the emails that we just brought in. If you click on the left-hand side, you click on Audience, it'll show you the new emails we brought in. So we brought in the J Croft, and we brought in JK's. They're subscribed, which is pretty neat. So let's go ahead, and there's so much cool stuff you can do inside of Mailchimp, and we'll kind of get into that in a different video. I'd like to go over a video of like setting up a starter email, so as soon as a new customer gets imported into Mailchimp, it'll automatically send a welcome email, like welcome to the Floral POS, or welcome to Jake's Flower Shop, or Zach's Flower Shop, you know, or Joey's Flower Shop. It's kind of a cool thing like that. So let's go ahead and go back into the Floral POS real quick. So we see we have 3 emails in here right now. So let's say we were taking an order and see if this new customer syncs over to Mailchimp. Let's go. So the new customer's name is John Bell. All right, let's go ahead and add his address in there. jbell@thefloralpos.com. Let's go ahead and add him. All right, so let's go ahead and finish the rest of the order. Everything worked properly with our auto sync on. We should be able to go inside of our Mailchimp, and we should be able to see John Bell in there. And there we go, jbell@thefloralpos.com, John Bell. So every time you guys take an order with the auto sync on, it'll automatically sync up your customer into Mailchimp, and then that builds your email list, and then you can do your email marketing from there. So that's basically the MailChimp integration in a nutshell. If you guys have any questions, give us a call at 888-865-9768. You can email us at support@floralpos.com, and as always, you can click on the smiley face. And we'll see you guys in the next video.